Hi parents. So we decided as a class that it'd be really important to start a video project of how to do the division that we're doing in class right now. Now I flat out tell the students that there's probably a very good chance you're never going to have to do this division. But one thing that we love about it is that it is a problem solving skill. And anytime we have a challenge in our life where we say, I don't do this, a lot of people quit or they give up. But are we going to give up, guys?
No!
All right. So what we're going to show you in this quick video is how to do two different methods of division. Now, these are not methods that I learned or you learned probably as a child to do division, but it's something that's being asked of your child. And we're hoping that this video helps you better understand what we're doing. The two methods are called partial quotients and area model. Let's do that one over here. Now, these two methods work very well with each other. They're very similar, however, they're just a little bit different. We're going to do the same exact problem for both of these methods. Let's do 384 divided by 6. Now, students, I'm going to have you guys help me a little bit as well. Now, this looks like a standard problem, but what partial quotients is trying to do is look at each individual part of the number. The first thing that we always do, just like in traditional division, is see how many sixes or how many groups of 6 would fit into 3. Guys, does 6 fit into 3?
No.
No. If it doesn't fit in the hundreds place, where do we need to go?
The
The tens. So what we do is we focus on the number 38. One thing that I tell our kids to think about is what times 6 gets us really close to 38 without going over. 6. That is part of your quotient. Part of your quotient goes on top, and we put that in our tens place. But because it's in the tens place, what do we put here, guys?
Zero.
0. So that represents 60. 6 times 6 is 36. 6 times 60 would be?
360.
Excellent. Then we subtract to see what's left. 4 take away 0 is?
4.
And 8 take away 6 is? 2. Now, we are not going to have a remainder here because 6 and 24 is a math fact. After we get done with our subtraction, we always see how many 6's or what times 6 is going to get into 24. This is a math fact, guys. What is it?
4.
That 4 just goes right above the 60 in the ones place. We have 6 times 4 is 24. We subtract, there's nothing left, there's no remainder. My answer is 64. And that would be how I do the partial quotients method. Now, area model is just slightly different. You might have seen this when your child did the area model with multiplication, but the first thing that we do is we draw a rectangle. Now, the purpose of the rectangle is to separate our place values. Now, when we do the area model, the first thing that we do is we put our dividend inside the box. Just like in the traditional method, we put 384. I'm going to do the exact same problem using the area model. We put 384 inside the box, and our divisor 6 goes outside the box. Just like with partial quotients, the first thing we focus on is the hundreds place. Does 6 fit into 3, boys and girls? No. Does it fit into 38?
Yes.
Because we have 6 does not fit into the hundreds place, but it does fit into the tens place with 38. That's where we create 2 separate boxes. The reason we have 2 separate boxes is because we will have a number that represents in the tens place and a number that represents in the ones place. They put this into expanded form. I teach our kids to put a 0 here because it's the tens place, and then we don't have to add it later. Now, similar question to before. How many 6's will fit into 38, gang? Go ahead, guys. 6. So that 6 goes into our tens place, but because 6 times 60 is?
6.
No, sorry, 6 times 36. 6 times 60 would be?
360.
Very good. I subtract. 4 take away 0 is 4. 8 take away 6 is 2. What do we do with 24, gang?
Shoot it up to the next box.
Shoot it up to the next box. 24 is now on top. I just asked myself how many 6's fit into 24.
4.
And that's 4. My answer goes on top. 6 times 4 is 24. I subtract. I'm left with 0. That means I have no remainder. I put my two place values together. 60 plus 4 equals 64. Giving us the answer, 64. Parents, I hope that this helps a little bit. I know that our students in our classroom are going to be making their own videos that maybe they'll get to share with you when they're finished of how to do these two methods. We are very close to wrapping up our division unit. We're hoping that this will lead to some more success for everybody and some better understanding for you too at home so you can help your child. We hope this helps. Have a great day.